Looks like this. Taco for you. My potatoes are cooking. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of garlic garlic and ginger. Then I'm gonna slice. These are potatoes. This is a meal for like 5 people. Yes. Later I'm gonna put them here on the list. Sorry. I'm gonna let them cook for like 30 minutes. This is my minced meat, and I'm gonna pour onions. And then this I'm gonna flavor. This is coriander. Now this is the meat, and I'm gonna put onions in them. Onions in them. So I'm like stirring them so that all the water will go away. A little oil. It's a Rena vegetable oil, just a little. Yes. I'm gonna stir it like this until all the water in it is gone. Then I start adding the garlic. Okay, added the garlic, a teaspoon of crushed garlic. The potatoes are still boiling over there. I'm gonna add the potatoes on this stew. And by the way, I'm making this stew for my chapati. So for chapati, I'm going to cook it. Let's show you. I'm gonna put all the potato in the stew like this. And then let's do like this, all the potatoes, and then mix it. Then I'm gonna add the tomatoes. Okay. Look at this, I added tomatoes and potatoes. And then let's mix. We're gonna prepare the dough for the chapati. Yeah. I'm gonna use this chapati. Onyesha venye na roll. Unaendelea tu kushikilia tu. Usifinye hapa. Hapa naonyesha hapa. So I'm rolling the chapati for the stew that I've shown you. You see that's my curry. I'm gonna put some oil, some vegetable oil. I'm gonna spread it so it has like layers when it's cooked. Naonyesha vizuri. Yeah. I'm doing like this so that the chapati may be like have layers on it. And then I'm gonna roll it. So it looks like this. I heat the pan for the chapati, and I'm gonna use this fry meat for it to be yellow. So that's the chapati. Come on, my face. I've done it around. And the heat is medium heat. Don't want the chapati to explode. Right, let's put it.
Chapo. Unapiga?
Sinapika chapo.
Na kukali unaipiga? Unaona kupiga.
Ya kupiga.
Unapiga. Ambako ndo upike mandazi.
Utapika mandazi uko kwa shop.
Doi nyingine. Nyingine kwa kifuniko. Upake iko kwa kifuniko yote. Mani haraka. Nasikia njaa.
Sawa, takupea hii ya kwanza. Mrs. Njaa. Unataka?
Shusha paka hii.
Unataka? Takupea.
Shupake ingine. Basi.
Sawa. Mrs. Solange.
Kuna piga chapo. Piga. Kuna piga chapo. Naumia. Tutapika tu pancake.
Unataka pancake? Unataka pancake?
Upike kama chapo. Nataka upike kama chapo.
Takuwekea nani? Girlfriend yako mnaringa sana. Mnaringa sana. Utaki viazi? Nyama? Si nyama na hapo.
Nyama nataka nyama na viazi. Sitaki viazi.
Utaweka tu kando mopee mizo viazi. Mimi ndo napenda viazi. Chukua ende ukulishwe na mama.
Nyata ameenda.
Kama tasty. Kama tasty. Nice cook. I'm gonna turn off the heat. Gonna make it looks like this. Then I'm gonna put it like this. Start to be gold brown. I like using this kind of fry meat. It's called fry meat here in Kenya because it's a solid one. It's a vegetable oil.
It brings the chapati yellow. Yes. Put the
How round it is.
same
Circles.
because we had the way we
The duck.
the duck, the way we were rolling. Now see, wait.
Nice and round. And I don't know if you can see the circles. This is because of the needle. I should put like 3 layers of the chapati, so she can cook faster. But if you are a first time cooking chapati, I'll advise you do it like one step at a time. But she's an expert, so she's gonna cook like 3 at a time.
And then start putting the oil and then. Now again the usual, you see the way it is now.
Yeah.
Now it's ready to be put. I put the oil. Just a little oil.
Nimepunguzia moto sana kabisa. Umeongeza. Checking and the heat should be of medium. To put it on medium. Don't want your chapatis to burn. So this chapati, it goes well with the stew that I showed you. I'll put all the video together so you see how round and how you could smell. She's doing that so that they be like circles, nice round circles. She'll turn it over for you to see. Yeah, like this. Yummy.